So first what you need to do is download the Coinbase app if you haven't already and create your account. Once logged in, find the buy and sell option at the bottom left of your screen. Tap this to access the purchasing interface for various cryptocurrencies. Select the buy option to begin the deposit process for your preferred currency. For stable value deposits, choose USDC which maintains parity with the US dollar. Tap on the USDC option to select it as your desired currency for deposit. Enter the specific amount in dollars you wish to add to your Coinbase account. After entering your amount, tap the Pay with option to select your payment method. Choose between Apple Pay, existing cryptocurrency balances, or add a new payment method. To add your credit or debit card, tap Add Payment Method in the center of your screen. Follow the prompts to securely link your card information to your Coinbase account. Once your payment method is confirmed, click Review Order to verify your transaction details. The screen will show exactly how much USDC you're purchasing with your deposit. Be aware of the 5% transaction fee displayed at the bottom of your screen. When everything looks correct, tap Buy Now to complete your deposit transaction. And that's how you add funds to Coinbase using a credit or debit card.